Hi everyone, this is Ed Martiri from Insured Asset Management. Thank you for tuning in on this presentation. Today we'll be talking about Institutional Intelligent Portfolio, a new platform that we recently launched. Without any further ado, let's get started. This presentation will cover into more depth intelligent portfolios, the minimum account requirement, how the account is funded, withdrawals allowed, type of accounts that are allowable, rebalancing strategies, and servicing the account. The Intelligent Portfolio covers a large selection and variety of investment options for you to pick. Daily rebalances ensures optimal profit potentials on the account, that every day the account will be rebalanced on their optimum allocation. You have a 24/7 advice and support. You either can contact our office during normal business hour or our custodian, which where the funds would be custodied at, and they have 24-hour service support. You can use your mobile or the PC to access your account. As well as you would have plenty of resources regarding investment education, such as live webcasts, market update, blogs, and so forth, to help you get more educated and more knowledgeable about the investment process. The account minimum balance to start would be $5,000, and then a minimum monthly contribution of $100 would be needed. So if you're looking to start this account, we will require a minimum of $5,000 to set up the account, and then monthly you can set it up on monthly contribution at a minimum of $100. So how is the account funded? There are different ways to fund the account. One of the options would be with cash or equity securities. So we can establish an account, and then with cash you can just write a check actually to yourself and will be deposited into the account. Or if you have any stocks or bond certificates that either you have the certificate or you have a brokerage account elsewhere and you want to move it over, we can transfer the account and then liquidate it and invest it into the model. We can also link your account to your bank account in the event you want to do the transfer the money from your bank account, or in the event you want to withdraw the money. And it can be a one-time lump sum of $5,000 or $10,000 or any amount that you would want in excess of $5,000. Or we can do monthly deposits. Initially it has to be $5,000, but then after that, as we said, $100 minimum deposits. Withdrawals. The account is liquid to be withdrawn anytime. You can either call our office to liquidate the account or call the servicing team and they would process it for you. If there is any cash on the account, the money is available right away for withdrawal. It can be transferred into your bank account the next day if we have it linked to your bank account, or you can request a check and it will take about a week for the check to be transferred to your to come in the mail. If there are any investments, withdrawal of investments is available upon settlement. Usually it's 5 business days to clear. So if you need the money today, it will take today plus 3 business days to settle, so it will be about 4 business days, and then the 5th day they would be available for you to withdraw. Please factor in weekends or holidays. They are not considered settlement days. You can elect dividends, interest, or capital gains to be withdrawn. So if there is any monthly or quarterly dividend or monthly or quarterly interest, we can set it up that dividend and interest can be paid out to you. If there is any annual capital gains, those capital gains are usually paid in December. They also will be, we can elect to send those out to you as well. So type of accounts that can be held. It includes non-retirement account, retirements, trust, and estates. So non-retirement account includes an individual account for yourself, a joint account with you and another person that want to be joined on the account, or a custodial account for your child. A retirement account can include an IRA, a Roth account, a Roth IRA, a simple IRA, a SEP, or a single 401k. So all of them can be part of the intelligent portfolios. Also, trust can be included in the model. Trusts include revocable and irrevocable trusts. They both can be part of the account. Or an estate account, if we are managing the estate of a deceased or any type of estates, can be included on the intelligent portfolios. We spoke a little bit about the rebalancing early, but I want to dig a little bit deeper into it so you can better understand it. Rebalancing, each account has a target asset allocation that we set it up initially on each model that you would be investing. Any contributions, withdrawals, losses, or any gain can cause the model to shift from the original target allocation. Because of that, it is set up to automatically buy or sell assets in order to restore the target allocation. And the advantage is that it's done at the end of every business day in order to constantly maintain the asset allocation, to harvest any gains and buy any losers in order to constantly be on target. Servicing of the account. First of all, as I mentioned before, you can contact us at Main Street Asset Management, and we'll be servicing the account. Mainly any closure of the account, any trades, or anything pertaining to hands-on. Or if you need any support regarding statements, if you have any questions about any trade confirmations that you're not locating, or any taxes that any tax statements that you won't be able to reach us and you need immediate support, then you can call Charles Schwab. Their number is 877-805-3399. The account can also be accessed online, so you can view your account information such as balances, positions. You can look at statements, trade confirmation, tax forms. You can transfer money between accounts. So if you have multiple brokerage accounts or intelligent portfolio accounts, or a brokerage and an intelligent portfolio, then you can transfer money between the accounts once the registration is the same. Or you can transfer money externally. So if you want to add more money to the account, if you want to withdraw money and send money to your bank account, then you can do that externally. Some of the limitations on the account would be that you cannot trade, you cannot elect to reinvest or initiate any checks or wires out of the account. For that, you would have to contact us, because we are the advisors on the account and we would have the power to do so. If you have any questions, you feel free to contact us anytime. Best number to reach us would be at the office at 845-263-3009. Or you can send us an email at info@msamllc.com. Thank you again for tuning with us, and again, we greatly appreciate your support and your confidence in our firm.